Today we're looking at a 2013 Ford Escape SE, Summit White in color. It's got 51,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the numeric keypad to get in the vehicle. You can lock the vehicle there. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Rear of the vehicle looks good. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything in really good shape on the exterior of this Escape. All right, it's a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a 2013, 51,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. It does have the gray cloth seating, the black trim. Driver's seat's in good shape. It's got your keyless entry. Passenger seat looks good. All right, no problems at all with the seats. Got you a power outlet here. It is an automatic, dual climate controls. All right, got CD player, AM, FM radio. It's going to have your radio display right here, and we'll show you that in a second. It is also powered by a Microsoft Sync. All right, it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And then it's got your cruise control over here on this side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 51,132 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, you can connect your phone here. Got the entertainment side here, climate and information. So you can basically click on one of these. All right, it's going to bring up your climate for you. Entertainment here, so that's going to be like your radio display. All right, got your information. It's going to give you your coordinates. Okay. And then your Bluetooth device. All right, it does have dual climate controls. Now that we got it started, we can see that lit up there. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems at all. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good back here. All right, back seat cloth looks good. Does have the center armrest that comes down with the cup holders. All right, and let me walk around the vehicle. I'm going to open up the passenger side just to let as much light in as I possibly can. All right, you do see it has a little stain right here on the back carpet. All right, but everything else is nice and clean. Cloth back here in the back seat is in great shape. All right, let me go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. It does have the power lift gate. Okay, cloth back or carpet back here is in good shape. Got the spare tire there. All right, plenty of room back there. All right, and then to simply activate the lift gate, press that button. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch polished aluminum. Okay, these are alloys. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Okay, once again, it's a 2013 Ford Escape SE, 51,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.